What's going on, everybody? I'm Coach Gary. How are you guys doing? I'm doing pretty good myself. Today I have another assembly project. I'm putting this together for a friend. It's called the Double Shot Basketball System. It's one of those basketball games you would see at a carnival or an amusement park. It comes with everything you see here, including the balls. It has an automatic scoring system on it, and I'm going to be assembling this. But before I do that, let me talk to you a little bit. I need to get likes on this video. The most likes I've ever gotten on the video so far has been 357. I'm only asking for 50 on this one. So guys, hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Now let's put this thing together. All right, so we're gonna start with the contents. Let's see what we have in this bad boy. All right, so here are the instructions. I'm going to make sure I have all the parts to it. I'm not going to go over all the instructions with you. I'm just going to follow them, and then I'll show you what I'm doing as I get to each one of these steps. All right, so on the first step, it says, remove the battery box door and insert 3 AAA batteries that are not included. So. Step number 2 says lock stability block into place. So this is what goes on the door. This is how you hang it. Next thing we're going to be doing is putting on the nets. It's not a whole lot to do to this one. And it does say that there's a red piece of tape on the net, and this goes at the back of the rim. All right. So I'm going to stand these rims up like this. All right, the next thing we need to do is assemble the pump and go ahead and pump up the balls. So here's the little pump that it comes with. We remove this sticker. And inside this little flap is your little valve stem. And all you do is tighten this up on the pump. And you have your little pumper. So then you want to find the valve opening of the ball, and go ahead and pump that up. It doesn't say how much air to put in the ball, so just pump them up to your liking. See, that's pretty good right there. Now this is an actual pump. It can be used on any type of ball. This is my Panthers basketball, and it's flat just like my Panthers. Hang on to this thing, it's pretty useful. So I've taken everything off the table except for the main unit, because now it's time to assemble the frame that will hold the basket for the balls after you shoot. So it's not very difficult because it comes with a string that holds basically the outside arm together. So what you want to do is go ahead, put that together. Go ahead and put the other side together. All right, this arm is already in there. Pretty simple. If it's not in there, you just simply slide it through the loops there. This thing's not very difficult to assemble. Some people just like assembling things, some people don't. I love to assemble. So now I'm going to take the right side, and as you can see, there are loops right here. All we're going to do is slide the rod or the frame through the loops. It has Velcro in the corner loops, so once you get that corner in there, you just put the two Velcro pieces together. This on the doorway, and I'll show you that in a minute. But then the weight of the unit actually keeps the front edge of it, or front end of it, hanging balanced. Before you use the system, you're going to need to push down what they call the sensor lock tabs. Now these are the sensors, right? And if the lock tabs are not locked down, these sensors are going to be flapping all up here. You know, if the sensor happens to stay up here, the ball will be able to go through, but it will not calculate or identify that there's a score. So in order to stop that, there's a little red tab right here that you need to mash down, and it keeps the sensors from going all the way up. Alright guys, that's how you put this thing together. It's pretty neat, I think. Wasn't very difficult to put together at all, but I know you didn't think I was just going to put this together and not try it out. the competitor in me just will not let me do it. So, you know, I've changed clothes and I gotta try it out. So guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you go and like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.